Is it time to buy or sell Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we will explore Tonix Pharmaceuticals in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 22, 2025, our system has ranked Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.98. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 29.18% since we first listed Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate 4 days ago. This translates to an average return of 7.30% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 50.71% over the upcoming 3 months, suggesting a possible return that could range from a loss of 6.91% to a gain of 155.16%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decline of 6.25% over the next year, with a possible return that may vary between a loss of 96.71% and a gain of 382.52%. This range translates to a price fluctuation between 1.35 cents and $1.99 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Tonix Pharmaceuticals features the headline, Significant Movements in Tonix Pharmaceuticals Stock Price on Monday, Fluctuating by 13.76% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, the Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price increased by 7.57%, rising from a price of 0.383 to 0.412. Remarkably, it has now risen for 8 consecutive days. It is uncommon for stocks to achieve such a streak, and it is reasonable to anticipate a decline for a day or two. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 13.76%, with a low of 0.391 and a high of 0.445. In fact, the price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and has risen by 47.87% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 84 million shares on the last day, with a total of 95 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $39,060,000. It's important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $2.64, while the lowest was $0.101. Currently, the price is 84.39% or $2.23 below the 52-week high, and 95.71% or $9.19 below the all-time high recorded on the 29th of November, 2018, when the price peaked at $9.60. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, trading under the ticker TNXP, has recently made significant strides towards United States market approval for its drug candidate TNX-102SL, aimed at treating fibromyalgia. The Food and Drug Administration has set a Prescription Drug User Fee Act goal date of August 15, 2025, marking a decisive milestone in the approval process. This news follows the FDA's acceptance of the new drug application for TNX-102SL, which is based on 2 statistically significant Phase 3 clinical trials. The upcoming FDA decision is critical, as successful approval could catalyze a shift in TNXP's stock price both in the short and long term. If approved, TNX-102SL could provide a non-narcotic relief option for fibromyalgia sufferers, significantly expanding market potential. In the near term, investor sentiment may become bullish as attention turns towards the August decision date. Additionally, TNXP's participation in investor conferences and a recently highlighted peer-reviewed publication regarding its vaccine candidate TNX-801 suggests the company is actively engaging with stakeholders and strengthening its scientific credentials. This combined momentum can enhance market confidence and potentially uplift the stock price, particularly as they approach key deadlines. If TNX102SL receives approval, we may see a substantial positive impact on TNXP's market valuation, fostering long-term growth potential within its expanding product pipeline. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned TNXP a buy rating while recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, it was noted that Noble Capital Markets gave TNXP an outperform rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, Noble Capital also assigned TNXP an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of June, 2022, Noble Financial provided TNXP with a buy rating while recommending a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of May, 2022, Craig-Hallum gave TNXP a hold rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as a buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have issued a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, and so far, it has fallen by 32.62%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence near-term developments. The stock for Tonix Pharmaceuticals holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On any downward corrections, there will be support from the levels of 0.3, 0.7, and 0.309. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume fell during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 164 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 0.365 and 0.334. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support point. In this case, Tonix Pharmaceuticals has support just below today's level at 0.365. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at 0.334 and 0.319. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0538 between its high and low, which amounts to 13.76%. For the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 21.48%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of March, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Tonix Pharmaceuticals faces its first support level at 365 thousandths of a dollar. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tonix Pharmaceuticals from various analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 23rd of May, 2024, when Treco James executed an insider purchase of 104,621 shares of stock option. Our recommended stop loss is set at $0.394, reflecting a decrease of 4.48%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 22 days ago. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Currently, several indicators are showing negative signals, which we believe will influence the company's development in the coming days and possibly weeks. Nevertheless, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, anticipating that the stock price will increase during or at the conclusion of this 3-month period. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 28th of January, we expect Tonix Pharmaceuticals to open at approximately 0.0039 and commence trading at 0.416. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.